Today we delve into Aircall and Cloudtalk, powerful communication platforms transforming the way businesses connect. We'll explore 5 key aspects: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Let's take a look at the features advertised by these services. Aircall features include intuitive dashboard. Aircall boasts a user-friendly interface simplifying call management for teams. Integrations galore. Seamlessly integrate Aircall with over 100 business tools, streamlining workflows. Advanced analytics. Gain insights with Aircall's robust analytics, optimizing performance. Global accessibility. Aircall ensures connectivity with a worldwide server infrastructure. Cloudtalk features include globally distributed servers. Cloudtalk's infrastructure provides a distributed network for improved global accessibility. Enhanced scalability. Scalability is a key feature here, allowing businesses to adapt as they grow. Multi-channel support. Cloudtalk excels in supporting various communication channels. Smart routing. Optimize call handling with Cloudtalk's intelligent call routing capabilities.
Comparing pricing, Aircall and Cloudtalk align pretty closely. Aircall's plans start at $30 per month, while Cloudtalk plans begin at $25 per month. Both offer competitive pricing tiers, ensuring affordability. Aircall prioritizes simplicity and seamless integration, offering an intuitive dashboard and extensive compatibility with over 100 business tools. In contrast, Cloudtalk emphasizes global accessibility and scalability, providing a user experience geared towards businesses with a need for broader reach and adaptability. Aircall boasts a user-friendly interface, robust integration capabilities, and a straightforward pricing model, providing a seamless experience for businesses. However, it may have limited global server distribution. On the other hand, Cloudtalk offers global accessibility with a distributed server infrastructure, catering to businesses requiring expansive reach. Yet, some users have reported occasional call quality issues with this, and its pricing structure might be considered complex compared to Aircall. Ultimately, businesses should weigh these factors based on their specific needs.
If Aircall or Cloudtalk don't fit your needs, explore alternatives such as RingCentral and Dialpad, offering diverse features in the communication software landscape.
The choice between Aircall and Cloudtalk depends on your priorities. Aircall suits those seeking simplicity and integration, while Cloudtalk is ideal for businesses emphasizing global reach and scalability. Don't forget to sign up through the links in the description for exclusive benefits. Subscribe, hit that bell, and check out our other videos for more easy internet tips. Thank you for watching.